Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 9 trades. Today's date is August the 4th and I'm using my new Super Scalper trading system. This system has the scalper along with another moving average, the goal line, the meter, has oscillators down at the bottom, momentum indicators, and it's a complete package that gives the audio alert and a pop-up box. Here's the pop-up box for the scalper. This is scalping. It'll give you where to get in, take profits, stop loss. It's preset at 15 pips. And of course the other buy and sell alerts is the super signal indicator. So every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, this is when I start my trading day. It can be anywhere from 2, 3, 4 hours. I try to catch the moves according to my daily trade plan. I look at all the different instruments. Once I know I want to be buying and or selling, I'll put in a white up or down arrow, as you see right here. I manually put this one in. Now here's my daily trade plan. This one is running right up to the minute right now. It's 11:15 a.m. I had a couple of distractions, so I'm running a little bit later as I am doing this video. Many traders are trying to get through to me as they have interest in either the daily trade plan or some of my packages. So what I do is I pull this up, take a look at it, look at all the different time frames, and the comments will suggest whether to be buying and or selling, and it is based on day trading. In other words, get in, get out after a few hours, and so it's can catch the up and down movements, and there is more weight put on like 30 minutes in the 1 hour to start the move up or down. If you have any questions about the daily trade plan, well, just Skype me. And if you're trading without a daily trade plan, well, that's a good reason why you are not succeeding. Okay, now we can get into some of these trades. Took all the trades before, looks like even before 6:30, and I closed them all out. Now I wanted to be out before 8:30, as today is the first Friday of the month and there's high impact news. It's called non-farm payroll. I decided I got well over 200, especially because of this DAX 30, and I did not want to get stuck in wild swings because non-farm payroll many times will do that. So before 8:30, definitely closing out. As you can see, nothing here past 8:30. Anyhow, on this first trade, wanted to be buying it directly from the daily trade plan, pulled the trigger. It was a no-brainer. Look at all the blue arrows, the daily trade plan. So I got in a trade and I closed it out, just being happy with about 10 pips, and that paid out $72. Moving on to the next trade, the dollar CAD. Now, dollar CAD, wanted to be buying it. Let's see where I got in at. As I said, I took all the trades before 6:30, so they're all right in this area. Wanted to be buying. I knew I got in the trade. Well, here's your buy signal and this is the pullback. So that's how I teach to trade within the training videos. If I got out up here, it'd be 26, but I was happy at this point, locking in about 14, it looks like, and those 14 pips paid out $104. Moving on to the next trade is the Euro Aussie. Let's see now. I wanted to be buying it directly from the daily trade plan. The scalper's blue. Lot of things telling me to buy. Look down at the bottom. No red. It's a no-brainer. Easy decision to make. And you see how the 8:30 news kicked in? Spiking up and down. Well, I wanted to be out. Well, I got out way before that. So anyhow, got in here. Closed out, locking in 15 pips. And that paid out, again, $104. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Dow Jones pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided it by 5. Calculator says it should be 28. So I wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow directly from the daily trade plan. The scalper is yellow, which means to sell. Drag and drop this up. Could have made a lot more all the way down to here. But I was happy, what did I say, 28? There it is right there, 28 ticks, and that paid out $140. Moving right along to the next trade, the Euro CAD. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. The non-farm payroll actually was telling me right from way back here, non-farm payroll was going to keep pushing it up. But anyhow, I wanted to be out as I was happy with my grand total. And at this point, I ended up with 21 pips, and that paid out $156. Moving right along to the next trade, which is Russell. Right here, Russell. Wanted to be selling it. Right from the daily trade plan. Scalper way back here said to sell. And we got the red arrows. Lots of red down at the bottom. Everything, matter of fact, red. Arrow, super signal. I got in. Would have got a lot more. But I was happy. And down to here alone is around close to 65. And this should be, since it pays $10, should be 23. There it is right there, 23 ticks. That paid out $230. Moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. This one pays $5 for each tick. There's from the daily trade plan, the white arrow. Scalper said to sell. Everything screaming. There's the red arrow. From the super signal, well, what more could you say? Well, down here alone is 170, but I took the calculator, and the calculator says, what is it, 57 point something. So let's just go, here it is right there, 57, and that paid out, it does pay $5 for each tick, and those ticks paid out $287. Moving right along to the next trade, the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow. Scalper. Super signal. Well, as I said, down at the bottom, everything is red. Good to go. This is a conservative way to trade. And I do teach a more advanced, aggressive way of trading. I teach that in video package called How I Trade Live Advanced Trading Tips. So anyhow, calculator, took the money, divided by 20. It says it should be approximately 25. There it is right there, 25. Remove the last 2 digits. And that paid out $492. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, the DAX 30. This one pays $3.75 for each tick. Dropped it down to the 5 minutes so I can try to get a little half decent reading on it. Same thing. Took the trade around the same time, 6:21. There's the super signal. Scalper is yellow. Everything is red down at the bottom. Well, it's good to go. And see that very short move look at how much it paid. Can you imagine? I would have made at least 3 times more. But I was happy. And calculator, when I divide it by $3.75, says it should be 325. 300, that's as close as I'm going to be able to get. But it says 325, and all of those ticks paid out $1,218. I dropped it down, or I put it back to the 15-minute time frame. It was very, very clear. It was going down. And so I added up all of the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be well over 200 or 300, mainly because of this DAX 30. The DAX 30 was 325 by itself. Grand total came to 518, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,806. So like I said, great day of trading, and if your trading is not up to speed or not doing as well, well, I recommend you get your hands on the Super Scalper, and don't forget about the daily trade plan, which is a must have. So if you have any questions or you want to buy, well, all you got to do is get in contact with me. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video, and you will get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Okay, so let's say this is the video. All you have to do is look right below the video, and you'll see this button here that says show more. All you got to do is click on it. Opens up another window. Continue to scroll down, and as I mentioned many times, I prefer Skype. Even if you think you don't have Skype, when you click on this link, well, if you have a computer, tablet, cell phone, everything nowadays is connected through Microsoft. So we will have a Skype connection, and through Skype I can answer your questions. Now there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time, you need a lot of demo trading, you need a lot of education, and you need a daily trade plan. Keep in mind that I do have a lot of education that I can provide for you. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. As you scroll down further, you'll see 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. Super Scalper, at this point in time, does not automatically include the Super Signal Indicator. That is in the 4th package, Easy Trader System. And I do have some special offers. The very first one is if you buy any 2, I'll give you another one for free. And of course, I will include a free Skype session, answer your questions and, basically how to trade my system. So, as you scroll down, and by the way, I do have another package. If you buy package 1 or 2 or 3 for $50 more, so that's a total of $300, I'll give you the Easy Trader System with the Super Signal Indicator. So that is a 40% discount. And keep in mind, I do have other special limited time offers. I can't go through the different packages right now. If you want to know what they are, well, just get in contact with me. So now as you scroll down, I break down each package and everything that I teach within it. Many, many different ways to trade the market. And this is what you have to learn. Trading is extremely difficult. And there's a lot of things that you have to learn. And the way you're going to get a lot of these different things that you have to learn is you have to get a lot of education. Now as you scroll down, how I trade live, advanced trading tips. I show all the steps I go through starting with my daily trade plan and all these other different things I teach. As you scroll down, the package 1 and 2 is where the bulk of the training videos are, 20 and 22 videos, and each video is up to 30 minutes long each. Here's my daily trade plan, 4 training videos focusing on the 3 different sessions. Easy Trader. Again, 4 videos focusing on the 3 sessions. So no matter where you live, you can trade. Now, if you have any questions, simple. All you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Or you can send me an email. Here's my email address. Again, another link to my Skype. Wanted to inform you that it does take me many hours to put these packages together. So in other words, once you buy it, you have it, you own it, and there's no way I can take it back because you have it. And so for that particular reason, please note that there are no free refunds. Now obviously I don't want to work for free, so that is why there's no refunds. So looks like it's just about time to end this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video and trading day, well, looks like it won't be till Monday. So between now and then, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. Have a great weekend. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.